One. My name is SHARVIN, and so now I'm going to present about the problem we start. So my team consists of 5 members. So myself, my name is SHARVIN, Nageswaran, and second member of my team is Sundaraju. Third member is Saravana. The fourth member is VIKNES, and the fifth is VISHNU. So let me start with the first question. So the first one is you need to compare four different mobile telecommunication companies in Saravana. So at Saravana, uh, we have identified there are four telcos, which is Nexus, DG, Nexus, Telcom DG, and Unimobile. So let's start with the Nexus first. So Nexus has provided with 4G and 5G coverage to the customers. They also provide uh, they provide some postpaid plans. So just start from the Maxis postpaid 79 and Maxis postpaid 109 and Maxis postpaid 120 to 139, which means they need to pay 79 ringgit, 109 and 139 per month. And the second and the another two plan is Maxis postpaid 169, which they provide 150 gig plan with 169 ringgit per month, and they also provide with Maxis postpaid 199, which they need to pay 199 ringgit per month, which they offer 200 ringgit, 200 gig of data with 4G and 5G spot coverage. And so this is the test that this is the download and upload test that we have tested on the app. So you can see that Maxis download speed at my area gives a 44.1 megabyte per second, and the upload speed is 5.39 megabyte per second. So let's continue with the second telco, which is the Hotlink. So they provide with some multiple plans with uh, they actually offer some plans, some prepaid and postpaid plans. So we just started with the prepaid plan with 15 minute plan, which is they give unlimited internet with 12 Mbps. And the second plan is 40 minute with unlimited internet also, but it only gives 6 megabyte per second speed of the data. And the third plan is 12 ringgit, which they also provide with unlimited internet, but on 6 Mbps per second. So let's move on to the postpaid plan, which they have four different plans. So the cheapest one is Hotlink Postpaid 30, which they give 4 gigabyte per second. Sorry, for 4 gigabyte 5G plan, which they need to pay 30 ringgit per month. And the second plan is 35 gig plan, which they offer 60 gig of data with 5G spot, 5G coverage. And the third one is 100 gig data with 5G coverage also with 15 gig per month. The last plan is 140 gig per second, sorry, 140 gig data with 5G spot also. So this is the speed test that we have done. So you can see that it's not as fast as the Maxis plan. So the Maxis telco, because it is provided with 16 megabyte per second, and the upload speed is 6 megabyte per second. So let's move on to the Sarcom DG. The connection time of the Celcom has provided the customer with 4G and 5G support. And they also provide some postpaid plans. So let's start with they have actually offered the six plans, which is start from the 70 ringgit plan, which they offer 150 gigs of RAM. And the second plan is 90 ringgit, which they offer 250 gigs of RAM, sorry, 250 gigs of data. And the third one is 100 ringgit with unlimited data. And I'm not maybe they also providing with the unlimited call as well. And the third one, the fourth one is 130 ringgit with unlimited data and calls. And the fifth one is 150 ringgit, and the last one is 250 ringgit. Maybe the benefits from the plans differ because of the price and the uh, and the and the services that they give to the customer with the different plan with the different services. This is the postpaid 5G plans, which they offer 60 gig of data with 40 ringgit and 105 gig data with 60 ringgit. And they also provide a family plan, family postpaid plan, which they offer 15 gig with 30 ringgit and 90 gig with 40 ringgit, and the unlimited plan, which is 15 ringgit per month. So this is the test result that we have get. So it gave the download speed is 8.37 megabyte per second, and the upload speed is 12.1 byte per second, megabyte per second. So the last one is Mobile. It also provide BT. Actually, all the telcos has same connection type, which is they provide 4G and 5G support to the customers. So Mobile also provide with some maybe three postpaid plans, which is come from the U postpaid 38, which is 38 ringgit, and the U postpaid 68 ringgit per month, and U postpaid 90 ringgit per month. It also give family plan as a company, maybe and the features may differ compared to Snow Mobile and Telecom Digi. And here they also provide with prepaid plans, which is prepaid U25 with 25 ringgit per month, and prepaid U35 with 35 ringgit per month, and prepaid U40 with 40 ringgit per month. And this is the test result that we have get. And the download speed of the new mobile telco is 13.8 megabyte per second, and the upload speed is just 0.51 megabyte per second. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Vishnu. Today I'm about to present the task 1 second question, which I'm gonna explain the reasons why all telcos have different charges for their customer. So there are a lot of reasons. So for the first reason, which is the factors that combine to create unique pricing for the customers for each company. The first of all is infrastructure investment. So these will be invest in different network technologies such as 4G, 5G, and fiber optics. This might bring a very much bigger cost for the deployment or the maintenance. So this is always or many times used in a large coverage area or more populated area. So because its demand and has a high capacity of networks. So moving on, the operational costs. The telcos must purchase from the governments for these expenses. So the license can be expensive. So because of the frequency and the frequency band, based on the country, using the telcos have different kind of costs for their maintenance and technology upgrades. So customers who purchase higher network performance or reliability will have higher charges. All right, moving on to the market competitions. Currently, the highly competitive markets, which telcos may lower their price to attract more customers by doing promotional offers, discounts, and more, so that it will be easier to attract customers and differentiate themselves from competitors to make them in a higher image, so that customers will like and try to attract. Next is customer segmentations. Uh, their plans is to meet the needs of the different customer segments, such as students, businesses, families, and heavy data users. So these might face a different pricing compared to those who primarily use voice services. So it will be a it will be a fair thing for the competitors, and the customers will gain benefits. So next, regulatory environment. Different countries have different regulatory frameworks, so it will include the price controls and tax structures. So it might affect the telco's price for their services. So it's clearly the thing that we can provide the clear and transparent pricing here. Okay, next is for the service quality and features. This is also one of the factor. So, by seeing here, telcos are offering superior service quality, which is has a features of higher speeds, lower latency, and better customer support with higher charge prices. So, by this, they can additionally add uh, another services like cloud storage, entertainment packages, which can give benefits to to the customers. So next is economic factors. Economic factors also play a big role in this factor. So it will, for an example, such as a cost of living in inflation rate. So the influence of telco pricing here in the inflation rates will give a uh, big impact for them, which have the telco pricing strategies. So by by looking at this, the customers who pays higher charges will will give a big impact for our currency exchange rates. So it will affect our pricing, and the costs are incurred in one currency and revenue is collected in another.
Okay, hari ini saya nak present 5G implementation di Malaysia. So, Malaysia journey toward implementing 5G technology has been a key focus in enhancing its digital infrastructure. The Malaysia government and telecommunication industry have been actively working to deploy 5G network to meet the growing demand for faster and more reliable internet connectivity, boost economic growth, and support digital transformation across various sectors. The Malaysia Economy and Multimedia Commission (MCMC) is primary regulated body overseeing the rollout of 5G. Major telecom companies involved include Maxis, Celcom DG, and Telecom Malaysia (STM). The deployment to guided by the National Digital Network Jendela Plan, which aim to improve digital connectivity and infrastructure nationwide. Moreover, deployment and operational phases of 5G are likely to create numerous job opportunities in areas like network installation, maintenance, software development, and cybersecurity. Furthermore, by improving connectivity, 5G aims to bridge the digital divide, providing better access to digital service for rural and underserved communities. In the future, Malaysia 5G implementation is set to evolve with ongoing investment in infrastructure, involving in service offering, and collaboration between the public and private sector continuously effect to enhance coverage, improve network performance, and integrate emerging technologies like IoT and AI will be a key to realizing the full potential of 5G in driving Malaysia digital future. Okay, and then I would like to compare three different software and hardware for network troubleshooting. By the software, I have been picking three software. So Wireshark, SolarWind Network Performance Monitoring, and PEM, PSLR PRTG Network Monitor. For Wireshark, it is a packet analyzer and real-time data capture, deep inspection of protocol filtering option. Advantage of the Wireshark is and it's a open source, highly detailed packet analyzing, support various operating system. Okay, disadvantage of Wireshark is step learning curve and can be overwhelming due to detail. Um, Feature on SolarWind network performance is it's a real-time network monitoring, customizable dashboards, automatic network in discovery, intelligent alerts. Advantage of the SolarWinds is user-friendly interface, robust alerting, and reporting capabilities scalable for large network. And SolarWinds' disadvantage is expensive, require significant system resources, complex initial setup. Last but not least, Spatial's feature is unfilled monitoring of network devices, application, and traffic. Customizable sensor, interactive maps. Advantage of the Bezel was comprehensive monitoring, capable intuitive interface, flexible pricing model. Disadvantage of Bezel is can become costly with a large-scale development, recommend fine-tuning for optimal performance. Okay, by the hardware, I have been picking Fluke Network, Link Runner, Net, Endoscope, NSG, Bezel PRTG Network Monitor. Okay, what is feature we have on Fluke is an internet speed and duplex verification communities test PoE testing cable length and measurement. Advantage of Fluke is portable, user-friendly, quickly diagnostic, durable design. And disadvantage on the Fluke is limited to internet higher upfront cost. Okay, NetAlley feature in NetAlley was Wi-Fi and Internet network discovery analyze, troubleshooting, multi-gigabyte support, automatic test script. Advantage in NetAlley is comprehensive testing capability integrate with cloud services, support wired and wireless network. Disadvantage of NetAlley and Ethoscope is expensive, may have more features than necessary for small network. A feature in PESR is high performance network testing support multiple protocol detailed performance analyzing customizable testing modules. Advantage of PESR versatile and powerful, suitable for both small and large network. Support advantage network testing and disadvantage of PESR is high cost required technical expertise and fully utilized. So that's all from me and thank you.
Salam sejahtera, saya Nageswaran Sundaraju dan saya present bahagian task 2 part 1 iaitu investigate consumer WAN technology for home and mobile device. Okey, soalan pertama adalah what the WAN technologies in use. Ini adalah topologi yang kami dapat. Dan soalannya mengetanyakan bahawa what WAN technology the home network is using. Okay, WAN technology yang home using adalah kabel dan DSL WAN technology. Dan kedua adalah examine the connection used in the network topology by selecting the connection icon. And soalan dia adalah what media is used to to connect the two home networks to the ISP. Okay. Pertama adalah kabel network yang kita bincang tadi, iaitu satu network menggunakan kabel dan Cable network menggunakan coaxial media to connect to the cable network punya ISP. Dan lagi satu adalah DSL menggunakan phone line untuk um, modem menggunakan home cable tersebut lah. Okay, what device in the home networks are directly connected to the ISP. Okay, the coaxial media dia connected pada coaxial splitter device dan phone cable connected to DSL network to the ISP, and the phone cable connected to the DSL modem lah, directly to the ISP. Okay, click the DSL modem and open the physical tab. Okay, ini adalah physical DSL modem. Then what port are available and what is the connected to them. Okay, untuk line 0 DSL ada dua, DSL modem ada dua port. Satu port iaitu line 0 connected to phone line from ISP atau telco, dan satu port dia connected to home LAN over internet, iaitu fast internet 0. Then what purpose of DSL modem? DSL modem digunakan untuk convert telefon data network signals to internet in for the home network. Then what is the type of connection between ISP telco company network and the network, the home cable home network. The connection to home network made with dia menggunakan cable network untuk menghantarkan data, dan kabel tersebut akan hantarkan data kepada telefon untuk call, dan satu untuk internet. Why the splitter is necessary? Okay, splitter adalah untuk splitkan and untuk dividekan kabel tersebut. Satu, dia akan guna untuk DSL adalah phone line. Phone line dia gunakan splitter untuk satu untuk telefon, dan satu untuk internet. Dan untuk kabel, satu kabel coaxial untuk video to the TV, dan satu untuk internet. Okay. Seterusnya, dalam kabel modem, what kabel modem do, dia macam sama juga macam DSL, dia akan convertkan kabel data, iaitu television data, yang menggunakan television data to internet signals. And dia menggunakan splitter and UTP cable to connect it to the interface. Okay, which port does cable from cable modem connected to the home router? Okay, cable router menggunakan fast ETH0 untuk connected to the wireless router. Then what interface the internet the IP is coming from? Okay, kabel modem menggunakan ISP punya DSP server untuk dapatkan IP untuk kabel modem tersebut. Dan E iaitu look at the phone, what is the IP and where did the IP come from, and what data service is the cable cell phone currently using, cellular data or Wi-Fi. Okay, first, what is the IP? Ini adalah IP yang kami dapat daripada smartphone tersebut, iaitu 192.51.101 dan 19 adalah gateway. Dan satu IP iaitu untuk host, iaitu 192 51, 100 adalah IP untuk smartphone tersebut. Dan IP ini dapat daripada cellular, daripada telco tersebut melalui DHP. Dan telefon smartphone ini menggunakan cellular data from the 3G and 4G network. Itu saja daripada saya. Terima kasih.
Hello everyone, my name is VISVANATHAN. So today I'm going to present about explore the business one. So the first question is, what different types of connection do you see in use in the business network? So the answer is Ethernet over chopper and fiber and also serial. And then second one, what types of interface are present? The switch has gigabit Ethernet chopper media ports and it has 4 modular ports. There are 3 GLC, LH, SMD fiber optic small form factor pluggable SFP modules inserted into the modular ports. And then the third question, which interfaces and media are used to connect the store networks to the business headquarters network? The stores are connected to the store net switch with Ethernet over fiber optic cables. This was done because of the distance required to reach the stores. In reality, another provider would provide this fiber optic service, but this has been simplified for the purposes of this activity. The fourth question is, what types of WAN service is used to connect the business headquarters router to the ISP? So the answer is the router uses a serial WAN connection to connect to the ISP. After that, part 2, explore connectivity. Can all hosts ping each other and the web server? So first is store 112 store 21. It successfully ping, and then store 11 ping store 31. It also successfully ping, and then store 212 store 31. It also successfully pinged, and then store 112 web server. It successfully pinged, and then store 212 web server. It also successfully pinged. Store 31 to web server successfully pinged. PC 02 web server successfully pinged. Laptop 02 web server successfully pinged. PC 1 to web server successfully pinged. Laptop 1 to laptop 2 successfully pinged. Laptop 1 to web server successfully pinged. Laptop 2 to web server successfully. Store 11 to laptop 1, it can't be pinned because destination host unreachable. Store 21 to laptop 1, it also destination host unreachable. Store 31 to laptop 1 also can't be pinned because destination. Last but not least, here are the documentation of the whole map of network. The devices we have is business headquarters, store net, store 1, store 2, store 3, HQ net, web server, laptop 1, tablet PC, laptop 2, server 0, store 11, store 12, store 13, store 21, store 22, store 23, store 31, store 32, store 33, PC 0 and PC 1. And then here are the interfaces, IP addresses, and the default gateway we use for the devices. That's all from me. Thank you.